How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to quickly show off this Master Grade Shenlong Gundam from 2011. It's a really solid kit. It's not the most complex of kits, but where it's not complex, it definitely is solid. Just wanted to show it off a little bit, give it a bit of spotlight. But yeah, let's get into the topic of the video. So, as you know, I have been building this real grade Wing Zero Gundam, and oh boy, the detail, the parts assembled, the way the parts are engineered, the way things move in conjunction with one another, the posability of it is so nice. And this pose specifically, I pay tribute to when the Wing Zero does this sort of crazy beam blast pose, and I absolutely love it. However, saying all of that, I can't help but still much prefer this one, real grade Wing Gundam, the first version of this. I think because me as a builder, as someone who really enjoys the hobby, I always prefer the model kits that are a little bit simpler when there isn't a crazy amount of detail, because sometimes things can just get way too overwhelming. I mean, look at the wings. It basically just looks like a bird's wings, and that is incredible. Whereas, you know, the Wing Zero, they slightly went for a more mechanical look, which is also just as awesome. But there's just something very special and unique about the Wing Gundam, the original. I personally always tell people, go with what you like the look of and start building from there, and you'll learn, start to notice this is a good kit versus, okay, this is an older, slightly more dated, not as well engineered kit. Still fun, but requires a little bit more work. Whereas, you know, kits like this don't require as much work and look super nice. This has been a sort of short impressions video of these two amazing kits. Hope you all enjoyed. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. Take care. Peace.